This is Phineas. And this is our GWM Cannon, towing our 3-ton caravan around Australia. We just pulled into Sandy Point just to let the tyres down before we go smashing around. Every single one of them. Danika's excited as. It's going to be pimp. I just had the caravan off because we just ran back into Coral Bay to get some fuel. And it's tyre pressures time. Say welcome to the new episode, Danica. Yeah, the flies are insane. Look at this. Oh shit. Good job. Anyway, let's get these tyres down. Get the caravan hooked back up. Happy days. We're on this lovely corrugated road. It's been about 15 kilometres of it. Look at the cliffs. So nice. We're still, what, 3 kilometres away from our spot. It's going to be pretty nice. We're here for 2 nights. And then we're heading to 14 Mile, which is down the same road. I didn't know 14 Mile was down here as well. I thought I had to drive somewhere. I was going to fill the water up and then come to 14 Mile, but it's like... Yeah. So we're sort of here for 8 nights. Off grid, no water.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I don't know what to do with water. Anyway, no one's allowed to have showers, nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll see how we go. Anyway, look at this. It's going to be beautiful. We'll show you us all set up in a minute. Or I might have to show you us driving into the site. We might even get stuck somewhere. You know.
I love a good stuckness.
Yeah, you know how we do.
Wow. Surely there's turtles here.
What are we going up here? Oh my god. No way. How are we getting up that? It says keep left. Look at the track on the right, looks so much better though. Anyway, this is soft as over this side. And then it does say keep left. But this is like a nice hill here. It's also pretty soft, but there's no ruts in it. I don't know which way to go. Do I give this side a crack and see what happens? That's a lot of ruts in there, man. I don't know if we're going to get up there.
Hey Goey, I have to go and look if there's any cars because the left's too hard to go up. Okay, we're still going. Go to a steep hill, but I don't know which one.
Look, this kid comes out with no fly net.
Property.
Purple sky? It is. Hell of a nice beach. Sandy Point. We're all set up. We'll show you the caravan in a sec. That's a cool clammy clam. The the flies are crazy, man. Crazy. Ah! It's ruining it. It's ruining the experience. Let's just start right here, like a ×4. Yeah, right here.
When you left the room, I lay on my back and my breath was slowing again. Threw my arms up to the sky. I knew I couldn't let you see the fire that you had just lit in my eye. I never felt so good. I never felt so good. I didn't even know that I could. Didn't even know that I could. You are doing unexplainable things to my soul.
Where are you off to, Ava?
The beach.
You going swimming? Got your swimmers on?
No, I'm not going swimming. I got swimmer undies underneath this though.
Oh, good.
Not a swimming bra though.
Look how much flies is on us. Oh, the water looks freaking amazing.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh my god. Clear as a crystal farmer. Oh, she's proper chilly.
She's cold.
Holy shit, what's happened over here?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Like 1 week ago we were snorkeling in this den and it was warm as.
Yeah.
What's happening?
Winter's coming.
No. So now we're camping on the beach covered in flies. Beautiful beach, freezing cold. Is it worth it?
I've got still 6 more nights, 7 more nights.
7 more nights. I think I need to get internet reception and figure that out again. But we don't have much options because the eclipse is happening, so like every single place is booked out. Again, we're getting caught up, aren't we? Anyway, we're gonna have flies on us for the next couple of weeks. Yay.
Couple of weeks.
I don't know, for the next 8 nights, 7 nights. 7 nights.
Week. That's 1 week.
1 whole week. So.
Oh.
Anyway, alright, well that's where we're camping. Sandy Point. We'll have a walk around anyway. We've just walked up around the corner and the flies are gone. It's like just where we're camping, there's flies. I speak of the devil, there's one on your hat. Anyway, there's like, they're gone. Are they all over my back?
There's 5 on your back.
Is it actual?
Yeah.
Okay, the flies are not gone. They're all on me still.
Yeah, but they're not in our face like...
Yeah, there's definitely less. Oh, you stupid.
It's gone too, 100%.
You're kidding me.
Stop
You
it.
slapped me right on my back.
I wish to be by the ocean. She crashes into the sand that is capturing me. She tries to remind us that she's a mother too, caring for much more than our eyes will ever see. At night and close your eyes, and everything else is quiet. Roaring for power, calling out for the sun to come back and let her show the turquoise beauty, unlike anything, unlike anything. With love we were once born, soon we will be gone. She is forever if she's kept clean. Her turquoise beauty, the sun must see every day. The longest love story there will ever be. Tonight we close your eyes, and everything else is quiet. She roars from power. Going out for the sun to come back and let her show the turquoise beauty like anything.
Yeah, amazing. How good. How good.
We're quickly getting up the hill because we want to see the sunset like mad dogs. Tanika's just running off like a freak. She got her vodka, so she doesn't care about me anymore. Anyway, let's go and find a sick spot. Oh man. You look so professional.
The part that looks good.
Yeah, we look.
Look at these guys.
Like you no idea, you know, constant.
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Yeah, we didn't see any turtles. There's no
The
turtles.
GoPro did, right next to you.
That was ridiculous. And there was a first little clip of the movie too.
Yeah, the turtle saw all of us.
I totally just got that. You guys see that? I got it. That was like the best sunset I've ever given these people.
So beautiful. Yeah, and you're like, it was all me. You're welcome.
Yeah.
What a story to say.
That was Sandy Point, and it was pimp. Now I gotta drive out of here. So you can watch that while we check out of this video.
Then they might be gonna get it.
Alright, send the drone. I'm gonna say bye to the host. This guy just took me out on his boat for free.
What are we gonna get?
They're probably just dobbing on us for making all that noise last night.
What noise?
I know, we're making no noise last night. These guys are having a mad. It was weird. How weird was that?
It's odd.
Hey guys, thank you very much for the boat ride, bro. Wowee.
Enjoy your little stint up the top.
Yeah, thank you.
And I hope the eclipse is all as crazy.
100%, mate. Cheers, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
I have no idea how that looked on camera because, oh my god, Finny.
Oh, Finny's barking, everybody. Is this so we have arguments about the drone footage? Okay. This is bouncy as all hell, guys. We're like up and down and we're going up and we're going and then up and then
Wait, when do I push forward?
yeah, start pushing forward now.
This is real life, yo. I don't know if I'm going fast enough, I'm scared. And now we're going into the side. I don't like this game. How do I move over? We're not in picture. I don't know where to go. I don't know what to do. I don't
Turn
know
the left
anything.
control a little bit.
What? Turn the left controller. That's
Just turn that a little bit that way and it will aim to where we need to look at.
Oh.
Is aiming at us at all?
Yeah.
Grenade gun.
Oh, now it's aiming at the front of us, yeah?
Oh, okay. Oh,
What?
how do I turn
I
around?
can stop now.
I exploded the.
GPS signal weak.
Oh, yeah.
Turn it off.
Okay, come on.
Are you recording?
What?
What's the red?
No way. Oh, we really need some good footage now. Has it got the water in it? Yeah.
Wait, there's another.
Just follow us.
Then you just press the button and then we went onto the jet ski.
How far away are we?
I'm on a jet ski. But
Where are we?
it's a sticky bomb.
Oh, we're
I'm
down
gonna
there.
bring it down further and then I can follow still.
And he landed on it.
Oh my god, it wasn't recording the whole time? Fuck. Too much pressure.
I had one button pushed and it wasn't a record button.
Oh no, my bad.
She is a mother, there will be no other. Turquoise beauty, I don't care anything. She is a mother, there will be no other. Turquoise beauty, I don't care anything. She is a mother, there will be no other. Turquoise beauty, I don't care anything. There will be no other. Turquoise beauty, I'm not getting anything. She is a mother, there will be no other. Turquoise beauty, I'm not getting anything. She is a mother, there will be no other. Turquoise beauty, I'm not getting anything. Her turquoise beauty is something must see every day. The longest love story there will ever be.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!